Hello, welcome to another GetTech tutorial for IdealPOS. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add sales categories and departments to your POS database. Now, the first thing we want to do is click on File in the top left-hand corner, come down to Sales, and here we have our sales categories and departments options. I'm going to start with sales categories. Left-click on that. Now, once we are in here, we can see our sales categories that have already been added, and down the bottom right hand corner we can click on Add to add another one. Now the system will automatically assign the code number to the next available code. You can however change this to whatever you would like. Then we go to our description and give our new sales category a description. I'm going to call this one spare food. Once we have our description typed in, we click on Save in the bottom right hand corner. And if we like, we can add another sales category. As you can see, the system has already assigned us a new sales code going by the next available number. And you can then just add in another description. However, I'm done. So I'm going to click on X in the top right hand corner. Now here we have our new sales category and our old ones. Now there are some other options we have available to us. So I'm going to select the cold food sales category. And we can click on Modify in the bottom right hand corner here, and we can change the description of this. Now it is worth noting you cannot change the code number once a code number has been assigned. Once you've changed your description, you can then click on Save, and it has now saved that new description. Another option that is available, if you're not using that category anymore, you can delete the category by left clicking on Delete, and it'll ask you if you're sure. Yes, we're sure. And now that category has been permanently deleted from the POS database. Once you have finished with your sales categories, click on X in the top right hand corner. Now I will show you how to add a new department to your POS database. So to do this, we left click on File, go down to Sales, and left click on Departments. Now here you can see what departments have already been created in your database. You can see the code and the descriptions, and you can see the sales category that has been assigned to that department. Now to add a new department, we click on the Add button in the bottom right hand corner, which brings us to this screen. Now here we have the code, which once again has been automatically assigned by IdealPOS. You can change that to whatever you want by clicking inside the box and typing in a number. And then you need to add a description. I'm going to call this one Food, Sale, Stuff. And then we can assign that to a sales category. Now I'm going to use the category we created before, called Spare Food. You can also assign this to a print group. You can add in your GL codes, and you can change your tax and any stock item points you're using, whichever option you need. Once you've created your new department, click on Save. That will save the department. Very important to do that. If you just type all this in and then click on the X in the top right hand corner, it will not save the department. Okay, so please make sure you click on Save. Once you have created all your departments, click on X in the top right hand corner. Here we can see our new department that has been created. Okay, there's Food Sales Stuff. Now the other two options in the bottom right hand corner here are the same as Sales Category. We have the Modify and Delete function. If I click on Modify, we can then modify this department. Now we can modify the description, the sales category, the print group, everything else that we could before, but we cannot change that code. Okay, so just keep that in mind, the code is fixed. Once you have made your changes, just like in the sales category, make sure you click on Save. If you click on the X, it will discard all changes made. So we'll click on Save. Now we've just got Food Sale. Now the other option down here is the Delete option. We'll delete the department. Now please keep in mind, if you use this, as it says here, this will delete all stock items linked to this department. Okay, you can cause major damage to your database using this if you delete the wrong department. So if you are happy to delete that department, which I am, I will click on the Yes button, and now that has deleted that department. Okay. Thank you for watching.